Y'all can go like below, like they can go like.
I have a pimple on my nose now. They're gonna notice that.
I'll be like, hey, welcome to my channel, guys. I'm Nelly, the choreographer, and I'm. You already screwed that up. You came in.
What?
Hey, welcome to my channel, guys. I'm Nelly, choreographer, and I bring here the special guests with me, also known as my students, my babies. Here is
Jonathan,
Jose,
Rodrigo,
and
Luis.
and they're also known as the HUAPANGO group. That's called
Alterados de Ocla.
So right here, we're gonna teach you how to do a tutorial on how to huapango, also known as cucaracha. That's how we call it.
And not be off beat.
And not be off beat.
Y'all ready to learn?
Y'all ready to learn?
learn?
We're gonna teach you how to do a basic huapango in like 5 minutes, okay? And then everybody's gonna do it at the same time.
First thing you have to do, 3 steps. Okay?
Stopping.
Yeah, so you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then you're always gonna end up on the opposite foot. And then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Right there. So it goes 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna start on your opposite foot, and it goes 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
You stop higher than the other foot on the other two. So basically you go up higher than the other foot. So you're gonna stop as hard as you can on 1, then little steps 2, 2. Then higher the opposite, 1, then 1, 2. So you're gonna go 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, or you can count like this. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2.
How you manage to be off beat?
1, 2, 2.
Oh yeah.
Basically, estás pisando la cucaracha. So basically, you go harder with your heel. Yeah. So whenever you go, make sure you go hard on the first 3. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. So basically, you just do as slow as you can until you get quicker, and then you'll figure out like how fast you want it to go. Some huapango musics are slow, some of them are fast. Some people go fast, like this boy right here.
My bad.
Or you keep going until you feel comfortable enough. Now let's go from the behind. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So basically, y'all do whatever style you want.
So basically what you do is you go heel and heel, heel, heel.
the same thing, shy feet, and then you like kind of like push your foot out, roll out. When you got this down, you can take a step. And then, yeah.
Alright guys, this is the end of our tutorial. Thank you to my babies who's helping me teach us for Thai. Teaches us how to do Huapango. Thank you guys. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Follow us on Instagram at Okla. I'm a gotta show up that booty.
Something like a fact about you.
I get abused.
Y'all ready?
Y'all ready? Oh, you really dropped your food. You really
Don't do well. This is gonna be a blooper. Someone